Chalo. Now I have. Did you do the homework that I gave you, everyone?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Did you do these? Find the missing digits also.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I have doubt in this. It was so tough.
Okay, there. Which one is the doubt for you?
Ma'am, actually, the all were not because I was unable to think what is going on.
Okay. I'll help. No problem. I'll help. Mukund, can you tell me how did you do the first one?
First one, I was borrowing from this number to that number.
Okay, chalo, I'll explain. Abdul, yes, bacha, you're raising hand. You have a doubt?
Ma'am, I could not do the B1, find the missing digits.
Okay, I will help.
Ma'am, I'm Alarika. Ma'am?
Alarika, yes?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the fourth one.
In this part only? In B part only?
Yes.
I will explain all four. Ishan, you also have doubt in this B part?
Yes, ma'am, in fourth part.
Okay, I will explain. Pranavi, what about you?
Ma'am, I got confused in all in DB, ma'am.
In which one?
Confused in all bits, ma'am.
Okay, I will help you out. I'm explaining B part. Aradhya, what is it? I'm explaining all the questions of B part. So if you people are raising hand for B part, please don't raise hand.
Ma'am, all the questions are.
I will be doing all four with you. So if
which worksheet is this one?
What?
Which worksheet is this?
This is 2.1, first worksheet.
This one only, right?
Aradhya, what is it?
And I have also doubt in E part. E.
Part. Which E part? Which sheet are you talking about, Ishan? Which sheet?
Ma'am, 2.1.
2.1. Which question are you talking about? See, I'll scroll down the sheet. I'll scroll up the sheet. Tell me which question. E part, this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Which question is the doubt, bacha?
C.
C. This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other question, Ishan?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Abdul, are you raising hand for some other question also?
No.
Okay. Ishan, remove the raise hand sign, please. Okay, let's do this one first and then I'm gonna do the missing digits wala pura, all four parts with you. Add the place value of the same digits in the number. Ishan, tell me which digits are same in this number. Which digit is repeating in this number, Ishan? 7 is repeating 2 times, na? 7 is also and 7 is here also, right? So what is the place value of this 7?
Ma'am, tens.
Okay, this 7 has place value 7 tens, which means 70. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about this 7? What is the place value of this 7?
Tens.
नहीं बच्चा, ये कैसे tens? दोनों कैसे tens, ईशान? देखो, ये वाला 7 is 7 tens because it is at tens place, है ना? And this 7 is at 10,000 place. So this is 7 10,000. Are you getting me? There are two 7s in the same number. One 7 is at 10,000 place. The 7 which is at 10,000 place means 70,000. 7 10,000 means 7 multiplied by 10,000, right? Samajh
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and the other 7 is 7 tens. So that is 70. You just have to add them up. That's it. Question says, add the place value of the same digits in the number. So there is only one digit which is same. 7 is repeating 2 times. So you have to add the place values of both the 7s.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so it will be 70,070. समझ आया ईशान?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo, let's move down. Somebody is writing in the chat box. Thank you, Sanvi. Okay, chalo, let's do that question. We have to hurry up and we have to finish the chapter also. Chalo, look at this one. Alarika, ruk jao abhi. Let me first finish this. Children, in my answer, the ones place is 6. So, can I subtract any big number from 5? Is there any number that you can think of that I can subtract from 5 and you get 6 as the answer? No. That means this 5 is not 5. This is 15. To make this 15, from where will I borrow? I will have to borrow, right?
No, it will be 9. 9.
So 15 minus 9 will give me 6, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. Now to make this 15, I will have to borrow from the 0.
But 0 doesn't have this value, so we...
Yeah, there I am coming to that. There I am coming to that, mera bachcha. Ruko to sahi. Now, because 0 has no value, that means this 0 must be 10. Only then I can make it 9 and I can and 5 can borrow from it. Isn't it? Isn't it? This 10, this 0 must be borrowing from this blank space. If this 0 borrows from this blank space, only then it becomes 10. And then 5 on the right hand side can borrow from 10. This 10 becomes 9 and this 5 becomes 15. What is 9 minus 6? 3 will come here. Now, the problem is that what is there in this blank? So that what can be there in this blank? Now, this blank will be borrowing from 4. From 5, sorry. This 5 becomes 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. But what will come in this blank is the problem. So think, what minus 4 can give me 7? What minus 4 can give me 7?
Ma'am.
11 minus 4 can give me 7?
Ma'am.
Yes, Dhairya. Yes, bacha.
Yes, ma'am. Is it 14?
No, which is 14? Nothing is 14, bacha.
11. Ma'am, it's a bit confused.
रुको मैं दोबारा समझाती हूँ.
13 minus 4 can be 7.
11 minus 4 can be 7. Bacha, 11 minus 4 can be 7. Ruko, I will write it on a big, I'll write it here and then I'm explaining you again. See, look here. 5. Here is a blank. Then 0. Then 5. Okay? Then it is 3, 4, 6 and blank. And then in the answer, here it is 1, here it is 7, here it is blank, and then I have 6. Correct? Can 5 minus 3 give me 1? No, this 5 has to become 4. Only then I can get 1. 4 minus 3 will give me 1. Correct, Dhairya? From here, the borrowing is going here, but I don't know what can be this number, right? So think, what can be the number so that if I subtract 4 from it, I get 11. I told you people last time that when answer is given and smaller number is given, always add them up. When you add them up, you get the bigger number. Do you remember? I told you this rule in the last class. Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it must be 11.
If 1 comes here, then from here I can borrow and this becomes 11. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
But I am borrowing from here and I'm giving it to 10. So it can't be 11. Why? It has to be 12. Why? Because 12 will become
11.
Okay, wait. This is becoming confusing. Ruk jao. 1 second. Wait, I'm writing it again. Children, I have to from this blank space, I have to give borrowing to 0 so that it becomes 10. So whatever number is there in the blank space, I will reduce that number by one number. So if I say 2 is here, then this 2 becomes 1 and this 0 becomes 10. This 10 becomes 9 and this 5 becomes 15. Then I can borrow from 5. This 5 becomes 4 and this 1 becomes 11. Now are you getting me? Now look at the solution and tell me, are you able to understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, it is a bit confusing. We have to think in question.
No, I didn't understand a little bit.
Which part you didn't understand, Alarika? Tell me.
Fourth one.
I'm coming to fourth one, Alarika. I'm still on the first one. Okay, now children, I would like you people to try second and third. I think you will be able to do. And because fourth question is doubt, so I am explaining you fourth also. This second and third, now give it a try after the class on your own. And still if you will not be able to do, then I'll help you in the next class. But give it a try.
Ma'am, I already finished 4 of them.
Okay, very good, Mukund. So is first one clear to everyone? Can I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Look at fourth one now. Blank, then 2, then blank, then 4. Minus 2, then blank, then 5, then blank. And then in the, what did I do?
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes, you may. And then 3, 7, and 8 here. So, Alarika, can you tell me that, can you subtract any number from 4 so that you get 8? No, that is not possible. It has to be 14. Only then you can subtract something and you will get 8.
Yes. So we should borrow.
We have to borrow. 14 minus 6 gives you 8, isn't it?
Yes.
So I don't know what will come here. So let's think. If I add these two numbers, I will get to know what will come in the blank. Please
Ma'am, we can't do this.
Ma'am, it's 12.
It is 12. Very good, Dharya. Because if I have to here, then 12 minus 5 will give me 7. But it can't be 12. Why? Because
only one digit can be in one.
Yes, but what I am doing is that I am borrowing from here. So it has to be 3, so that when I cut this 3, it becomes 2. And this 4 becomes 14. Then only this 4 will become 14. Now when I will borrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will cut this 2, this 2 becomes 1 and this 2 becomes 12. Now 12 minus 5 is 7. Now can I subtract any number from 1 so that I get 3? No, I can't do it.
So it's to borrow again.
So I will have to borrow. Okay, how to get this number? Just add these two numbers which are given.
5.
This will help.
5.
If I write 5 here, but I am borrowing from 5.
So it will be.
Ma'am, it will be 4. 4.
So if this is 6 and I borrow from it, then it becomes 5 and this 1 becomes 11. So 11 minus what is 3? 11 minus 8 is 3.
8.
And now this 6 becomes 5. So 5 minus 2 is 3. समझ आया लारिका कहाँ गलती की? Yes. These are thinking questions. You'll have to think. And also you'll have to apply logic.
Ma'am.
Anybody? Any doubt? Yes, Abdul?
Ma'am, I will leave and join.
Okay, Abdul. No problem. Okay. Now, if this is clear to everyone, can I move ahead now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.